this on? Okay, perfect. What's going on, guys? Back with another YouTube video, and right now I'm live and direct from Cape Town. You see it. Postcards coming soon. So those that enjoyed the first one in Jazzy, Johannesburg, thank you. This journey, this life that I'm on right now is a blessing, to say the least. I'm waking up inspired. I'm waking up fulfilled. It's important. It's personal. It's about wellness, and I just want to let y'all know that y'all have to take care of y'all mind and body before doing any of this. Before showing up for anybody, you got to show up for yourself. And today is my off day. I'm actually visiting this mountain called Lion's Head, man. Yeah, you see it. So it's about a 45-minute hike. I wanted to vlog while I go up there, but I may be too tired. So y'all gonna get a glimpse of the process, because at the end of the day, you always have to trust your process, not nobody else's but yours. You know what I mean? But yeah, I look forward to bringing you guys on more of these journeys, more of these self-care kind of videos, because shit, I need this for myself. I need to put stuff out like this for myself, talk through those ideas, talk through those moments of frustration. And I look forward to getting feedback. You know what I mean? My skin is looking good in South Africa. Yeah, I might not come back to the States. Okay, we're like 1/4 of the mountain. The goal is to make it up there. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. See, health aside, the most thing I take, I guess what I'm trying to say is, the most important thing that I try to do is get my mind right. And I'm doing this hike with no music. Y'all know how big music is for me. But I feel like sometimes in order to reset, you gotta do without. And I've been doing without a lot of shit. So if you've been on my journey, if you've been following me since day one, I appreciate you guys. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Boy, my cast is burning. Look at this view. Sick, man. All right, let's go. Hey. 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 I cannot cheat it. You can't cheat success, or you can't cheat hard work. And this bitch, not easy. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. No. Hey. Let's see. You got natives saying what's up to me. My vibe is just at the all-time high right now. Look at the ocean. What the fuck? Yeah, I came from down there, right? Now we gonna go up there with it. Bitch, I'm tired. Can't even lie. But we do this. It's a whole nother town over here, bro. What the fuck? Let's go to the top. One thing I've learned while being here is that they love you, bro. No matter where you come from, as long as you look like them, they love you. And it feels good to be loved without being known. Because I feel like in the States, we gotta give up a lot of us, like ourselves, for a certain life.
The second way
and love
is that the ocean.
These rocks dangerous. Bro, we're literally hanging on by the edge. Yo. What you don't conquer in life will conquer you. Just know that. Oh. So what's up, guys? We're about to be done with this hike. I just wanted to check in, tap in, and let y'all know that I'm well. I've been sending my family postcards, letting them know that I'm here, I'm safe. And yeah, I look forward to sharing more of this South Africa experience while I'm here. And yeah, I felt like it was time for me to break away from the States, what we're used to, and develop my own self-awareness on a deeper level. So it's 10:31. Let me see what time I got here. Let me see. So it took me an hour to get up here. Yeah, definitely worth it. I'm gonna take a good like 30 minutes before I head back down. Make sure I hydrate. Yeah. Hold on. Yo. So I just finished the walk, the run, the hike, the trek, whatever you want to call it. And man, my biggest takeaway is that you can't rush your process. I felt like I was behind certain people or in front of certain people that was rushing me, but I took my time, got all the way to the top, because that's what it's about. You finishing, you committing to what you said you was gonna commit to, and then you doing it, you know? So, yeah, man. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna be out here for a while, so just know content.